welcome back. We have a Facebook portal here. So this weekend I went to Facebook NYC and I had a hackathon. My team won game and entertainment section, so our prize was the portal. So I did not pay for this, so I'm going to do a review on this product so you can see what it's like. I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to set it up and I'll let you know, how I feel about it. All right. So this is the unboxing experience. So it says lift here. You guys see me in the camera with my little puff. All right, so this is cute. So it has a little stand. What is that for? I'm assuming that's where you plug it in, and this is the front of the screen. All right, so that's that. Facebook says hi. I would have thought there would have been like, a little thumbs up or something. More Facebooky. Alright, so, look at that. I said a thumbs up. Speaking of which, if you're enjoying the video so far, leave a thumbs up on the video. Alright. That was a cheesy plug, but had to do it. Alright, there's this little thing. I guess it's to keep the cord safe. So this is your power cord. Okay. It's pretty sleek, like that. There's more get started stuff. Okay. It's your books on how to set the shits up. And that is the box. All right, so let's see. Let's plug this in and see how it works. Give me 2 seconds. All right, so we are almost downloading. So I'm just gonna go over this. So you plug it in at the bottom. Okay, we're gonna follow instructions on the screen. So remember I picked up the little black thing and I was like, I don't know what this is for. This is a camera cover. So any of you that have laptops or webcam, we all know we like to cover the cam because we don't trust if someone hacks the Wi-Fi and then they can see your camera and you'll never know walking around your house booty butt naked, right? All right. So we have the camera, okay? The microphones are on each side of the camera. There is a LED camera to see you, okay? The microphone. This is a touchscreen. There are speakers because you can have, sorry, forgot to let you guys know. All right, whatever. It has Alexa built in, okay? We have Alexa built in. My camera, are we gonna focus? There we go. We have Alexa built in. We have Spotify. We have Pandora and iHeartRadio. I hope there's Google Play Music because I do play for Spotify, but I prefer my Google Play Music. I only pay for Spotify because it came with Hulu. You know what I'm saying? All right. So this is priced around $180 on Amazon. Okay, so this is your volume rockers. All right, that's your power on and off button. There is nothing on the bottom, but what I did notice is there is a USB Type-C port on the back. So I don't know if you can like upload videos and stuff on here. So that would be cool. All right, so as soon as the downloading is done, we're going to start the tour and go through that together. All right, guys, so this is now set up. This is how the home screen looks. You have your contacts, which is your Facebook contacts, no other contacts. You have your Facebook Watch. You have apps that you can download. You have settings, browser, Facebook gaming, iHeartRadio, Pandora, photo booth. So you can connect your Facebook photos, or you can download the app to connect with the Facebook portal, and you can send photos to the device if you want. Okay, so I didn't set up the time. I just plugged it in, so I guess it just automatically synced. And you have story time, so you can let your thing play for your kids to listen to, okay? So I'm going to run down the apps that they have in this. Okay, so it's not that many. So, of course, they have Fox News. Of course, you got to have Fox News, but no one cares. CNN, awesome. Food Network, of course, because most people will have this in their kitchen, trying to fake cook and be Rachel Ray. We got Facebook Gaming, Pandora, as I said before, Spotify, iHeartRadio, Big Great Story. I'm assuming those are the story videos that you can have. You got ABC News Live. Newsy. Never heard of that before in my life. Okay. So I'm going to open up the Facebook gaming so you can see what's on here. I mean, you know, really? I got to keep unlocking this? Give me 1 second. Okay. So now I took off the thing from asking me to confirm every 5 seconds. So you have Sudoku. I love this. So that's something I'm probably going to play all the time on this little device when I'm sitting at my table. Almost never. We got 8-ball pool. You know, everyone loves that. Of course, you got Words with Friends, which is dope. Draw something. They got Dominoes Battle. I don't know. Gin Rummy. Okay, they got Battleship. I can get down with that. Poker Dice. I don't even know. Disney Tsum Tsum. Okay, I'm assuming that's what it's pronounced because that's how you spell tsunami. You know, TSU. That's Su. Anyways, that's what that is. And then we got checkers. I don't know what Ludo Club is. And Super Baseball. That is the extent on the portal, you know. Honestly, for 180 bucks, I would go with the Alexa version. But hey, I got it for free. I want it, okay? Oops. Yeah, so Alexa's on this, so she's listening. Alexa, stop listening. That's fire. But I already signed in. So I guess sis is not listening. All right. So this is the Spotify website. It is premium because I pay premium dollars for it to work. All right. We got Pandora. Oops. Now you see my friends. Now you don't. And if I go to contacts, it goes through my Facebook, which is, yeah. There's that. And this is pretty much the device. I did a call my friend. It sounded great to me. The camera looked great. You know, it's 720p screen, and I believe the camera's 720p as well. It could be 480. I mean, yeah. You got Facebook Watch. So if you're one of the people like myself that likes to watch the Red Table Talk, because I don't really care to watch it on my phone, you know, I usually watch it on TV or on somewhere on YouTube, someone restreaming, I can watch it on this. And I didn't even know they had this much stuff on Facebook. All right, TV. So this is a pretty dope device. I'm gonna play, I guess, some type of music so you can see how it sounds. I'm gonna play some, I don't know how to get to my damn playlist. Okay. All right. I'm gonna play, this is DJ Cutman. So hopefully I don't get a copyright strike, but that's pretty loud. I think this is at the 50. This is how it sounds at 50. And we can go down some more. And it's damn near mute when you get to here. So 10%, you can't hear anything. So I'll say 15% and up, you can hear stuff. So that is awesome. I think this is a cool device. I'm glad I won it. And if I want to see my pictures, I click that and then I go to my pictures. But of course, I'm not going to show you guys that. If you want to see the browser, this looks like it's Chrome. I don't know what browser this is, but okay, let's go to YouTube. Okay, so you can watch YouTube on this device as well. Let's go to my favorite YouTuber. All right, let's see how this looks. What do you mean, oh snap? All right, it's all right. Some technical difficulties, you know. Previewing tech never goes well the first time around, you know. All right, let's turn this down so I don't get a copyright strike for but okay. You can watch YouTube on this device, and then later on, if you want, you can cast it. So since this is 720p, it's already in 720p for you, and there you go. So you can watch YouTube on this, and this is pretty cool. Like, I feel like, you know, if someone's watching TV, or if you're cooking and you want to watch something in the background, you can have this playing while you're cooking. I think that's pretty dope. Do I feel like this is worth I think it's $144 right now on Amazon? I think so. I mean, if you're getting it for a relative that is a little older and you want to be able to video call them, and, you know, they don't know how to use FaceTime and stuff like that, and you're like, okay, listen, I'm going to hook this up, and you'll be able to listen to music, watch your shows and stuff like that. I think that's pretty cool. And of course, you know, there's ways that you can probably hack it and put something else, a different operating system on it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.